السلام علیکم۔ آج کے لیکچر میں ہم ایف ایس سی پارٹ 1 کی بائیولوجی میں 77 موسٹ امپورٹنٹ ایم سی کیوز کریں گے۔ اس ویڈیو میں موجود تمام ایم سی کیوز بار بار بورڈز کے پیپرز میں آتے ہیں اور اس دفعہ بھی ایگزام میں آنے کے ان کے بہت زیادہ چانسز ہیں، اس لیے ان کو اچھی طرح یاد کر لیں۔ اگر آپ نے ابھی تک میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب نہیں کیا تو میری ریکویسٹ ہے کہ آپ ابھی سبسکرائب کر لیں اور بیل آئیکن کو بھی دبا دیں تاکہ نئی ویڈیوز کے نوٹیفیکیشنز آپ کو فوری مل سکیں۔ بہت شکریہ۔ Which one of the following is a correct sequence in biological methods? Observations, hypothesis, law, theory. Observations, hypothesis, deduction, testing of deduction. Hypothesis, observations, deduction, testing of deduction. Law, theory, deduction, observations. تو آپشن نمبر بی یہاں پہ کریکٹ ہے۔ بایولوجیکل میتھڈ میں سب سے پہلے آبزرویشنز ہوتی ہیں۔ آبزرویشنز کی بنیاد پہ ہم ہائپوتھیسس کریٹ کرتے ہیں، ہائپوتھیسس میں سے پھر ڈیڈکشنز کرتے ہیں اور پھر ان ڈیڈکشنز کی ٹیسٹنگ کرتے ہیں، یعنی ایکسپیریمنٹ کرتے ہیں اور کنکلوژنز نکالتے ہیں۔ Which of the following is not related to cloning? Replacement of nucleus of zygote by another nucleus of the same organism. Separation of cells of embryo to form more embryos. The individuals resulting have similar genetic makeup. Removal of piece of DNA or gene from the cell and incorporating another gene or piece of DNA in its place. Correct option is D. Removal of piece of DNA or gene from the cell and incorporating another gene or piece of DNA in its place. MCQ third. Which of the following kinds of atom do not occur in carbohydrates? Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Correct option is C. Nitrogen. نائٹروجن کے علاوہ تینوں قسم کے ایٹمز کاربوہائیڈریٹس میں ملتے ہیں۔ MCQ 4. Which statement about the nuclear envelope is not true? It has pores. It is a double membrane structure. Its inner membrane bears ribosomes. RNA and some proteins pass through it. Correct option is C. Its inner membrane bears ribosomes. MCQ 5. Which statement about plastids is true? They are surrounded by a single membrane. They are the powerhouse of cell. They are found in all organisms. They contain DNA and ribosomes. Correct option is D. They contain DNA and ribosomes. MCQ 6. Which type of cell would probably be most appropriate to study lysosomes? Phagocytic, nerve cell, mesophyll cell of leaf, muscle cell. Correct option is A. Phagocytic. MCQ 7. Which of the following pairs of structure function is mismatched? Ribosomes, protein synthesis. Nucleolus, ribosomes production. Golgi, muscle contraction. Lysosome, intracellular digestion. Correct option C. Golgi, muscle contraction. MCQ 8. Which of the following statements about ribosomes is correct? They are structurally different from free ribosomes. They are enclosed in their own membrane. They are concentrated in the cisternal space of rough ER. They are attached to cisternal surface. Correct option is D. They are attached to cisternal surface. MCQ 9. The enzymes involved in viral replication are synthesized on the viral ribosomes, on the interior surface of viral membrane by the host cell on the interior surface of viral coat. Correct option is C. By the host cell. MCQ 10. A virion is a virus, viral protein, viral lysozyme, viral gene. Correct option B. A virion is a viral protein. MCQ 11. An isolated virus is not considered living since it separates into two inert parts, cannot metabolize, rapidly loses its genome chemically, is coated with an airtight shield. Correct option is B. Cannot metabolize. MCQ 12. In the lytic cycle of a bacteriophage, the host DNA is replicated, turned off by a protein coat, digested into its nucleotides, turned on by removal of a protein coat. Correct option is C. Digested into its nucleotides. MCQ 13. In the lysogenic cycle, the DNA of a bacteriophage joins the bacterial chromosome, attaches to the inner surface of the host membrane, is immediately degraded when it enters the host, goes directly to the host's ribosome for translation. Correct option A. Joins the bacterial chromosome. MCQ 14. Temperate phage may exist as prophage, capsid, virioid, retrovirus. Correct option A. Prophage. MCQ 15. Phylogeny describes a species' morphological similarities with other species, evolutionary history, reproductive compatibilities with other species, geographical distribution. Correct option B. Evolutionary history. MCQ 16. In the binomial system of taxonomy developed during the 18th century by Linnaeus, the first word of an organism's name, that is Homo sapiens, is its species, genus, race, family. Correct option B. Genus. The first word of an organism's name is its genus. MCQ 17. In the five kingdom system of classification developed by Robert Whittaker, members of the kingdom Plantae are autotrophic, eukaryotic, and multicellular, motile, either unicellular or multicellular, have sexual reproduction. Correct option is A. Multicellular. MCQ 18. Five kingdom system of classification proposed by Margulis and Schwartz is not based on genetics, cellular organization, nucleic acid, mode of nutrition. Correct option is nucleic acid. The common name of Allium cepa is Pyaz, Bathu, Amaltas, Chana. Correct option A. The common name of Allium cepa is Pyaz. Pigs are reservoirs to hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis D, hepatitis E. Correct option hepatitis E. Which one of the following is false about AIDS? HIV, acquired immune deficiency syndrome, T lymphocytes, HIV, host specific. Our answer will be D. HIV. Question 22. Which of the following is not found in all bacterial cells? Cell membrane, ribosomes, a nucleoid, capsule. Correct option D. Capsule. Question 23. The major locomotory structures in bacteria are flagella, fimbriae, pili, cilia. Correct option A. Flagella. Question 24. Which of the following is a primary bacterial cell wall function? Transport, support, motility, adhesion. Correct option is B. Support. Which of the following is present in both gram-positive and gram-negative cell walls? An outer membrane, peptidoglycan, teichoic acid, lipopolysaccharides. Correct option is B. Peptidoglycan. Mesosomes are internal extensions of the cell wall, cell membrane, chromatin body, capsule. Correct option is B. Cell membrane. Bacterial endospores function in reproduction, protein synthesis, survival, storage. Correct option is C. Survival. Amoebas move and obtain food by means of Plasmodium, flagella, cilia, pseudopodia, gamtangia. Correct option is D. Pseudopodia. The sexual process exhibited by most ciliates is called oogamy, binary fission, conjugation, fertilization, zygote. Correct option is C. Conjugation. Parasitic protozoans that form spores at some stage in their life belong to which group? Ciliates, actinopods, diatoms, epicomplexans, zooflagellates. Correct option is D. Epicomplexans. Question 31. Algae which have shells composed of two halves that fit together like petri dish belong to brown algae, diatoms, euglenoids, green algae, red algae. Correct option is B. Diatoms. Algae in which body is differentiated into blades, stipes, and holdfast belong to golden algae, diatoms, kelps, euglenoids, green algae. Correct option is C. Kelps. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and carotenoids are found in brown algae, golden algae, and diatoms, green algae, golden algae, and euglenoids, green algae, euglenoids, and plants, red algae, euglenoids, and brown algae, red algae, golden algae, and plants. Correct option is C. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B and carotenoids are found in green algae, euglenoids, and plants. The feeding stage of a lime mold is called mycelium, pseudopodium, hyphae, plasmodium, rhizoids. Correct option is D. Plasmodium. Cell wall in Omycetes is chemically composed of cellulose, chitin, proteins, lignin, proteins, and some carbohydrates. Correct option is A. Cell wall in Omycetes is chemically composed of cellulose. Which statement about fungal nutrition is not true? Some fungi are active predators. Some fungi are mutualists. Facultative parasitic fungi can grow only on their specific host. All fungi require mineral nutrients. Correct option is C. Facultative parasitic fungi can grow only on their specific host. Question 37. The absorptive nutrition of fungi is aided by spore formation, their large surface area volume ratio. They are all parasites. They form fruiting bodies. Correct option is B. Their large surface area volume ratio. MCQ 38. The zygomycetes have hyphae without regularly occurring cross walls, produce motile gametes, are haploid throughout their life. Answers A and C are both correct. Correct option is A. The zygomycetes have hyphae without regularly occurring cross walls. Which of the following cells or structures are associated with asexual reproduction in fungi? Ascospores, conidia, zygospores, bastidiospores. Correct option is B. Conidia. Question 40. The closest relatives of fungi are probably animals, slime molds, brown algae, vascular plants. Correct option is B. Slime molds. E. coli of fungi are the rusts, brown mold, green mold, yeasts. Correct option D. Yeasts. Question 42. An ascus is to ascomycetes as is a to basidiomycetes. Basidiospore, basidiocarp, basidium, haustorium. Correct option is C. Basidium. Which statement is not true about deuteromycetes? They are also called imperfect fungi. Their asexual spores are called conidia. It is a heterogeneous polyphyletic group. It is a heterogeneous polyphyletic group. They have both sexual and asexual reproduction. Correct option is D. They have both sexual and asexual reproduction. Question 44. All bryophytes, that is mosses, liverworts, and hornworts, share certain characteristics. Reproductive cells in protective chambers and a waxy cuticle. A waxy cuticle, true leaves, and reproductive cells in protective chambers. Vascular tissues, true leaves, and a waxy cuticle. Reproductive cells in protective chambers and vascular tissues. Vascular tissues and a waxy cuticle. Correct option is A. Reproductive cells in protective chambers and a waxy cuticle. Question 45. A heterosporous plant is one that produces a gametophyte that bears both sex organs, produces microspores and megaspores in separate sporangia, giving rise to separate male and female gametophytes, is a seedless vascular plant, produces two kinds of spores, one asexually by mitosis and one type by meiosis, reproduces only sexually. Correct option is B. A heterosporous plant is one that produces microspores and megaspores in separate sporangia, giving rise to separate male and female gametophytes. Question 46. The male gametophyte of an angiosperm is the anther, embryo sac, microspore, germinated pollen grain, ovule. Correct option is D. Germinated pollen grain. Important terrestrial adaptations that evolved exclusively in seed plants include all of the following except pollination of wind or animal instead of fertilization by swimming sperm, transport of water through vascular tissues, retention of the gametophyte plant within the sporophyte, dispersal of new plants by seeds, protection and nourishment of the embryo within the seed. Correct option is B. Transport of water through vascular tissues. Question 48. Vertebrates that develop embryonic membranes around their embryo are called amniotes, anamniotes, both A and B, none of these. Correct option is A. Amniotes. Question 49. In animals, the bodies of which can be divided in two equal halves only in one plane are asymmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical, radially symmetrical, none of the above. Correct option is B. Bilaterally symmetrical. Animals that have their body cavity filled with parenchyma are aqualumates, coalumates, pseudo-coalumates, both B and C. Correct option is A. Aqualumates. Question 51. The vertebrates in which placenta is formed during the development of fetus are feces, ovs, mammalia, none of these. Correct option is C. Mammalia. In amphibians, the necessary requirements to spend their life history are land, water, both land and water, none of these. Correct option is C. Both land and water. MCQ 53. Trypanosoma causes the disease malaria, sleeping sickness, memory loss, diarrhea. Correct option is B. Trypanosoma causes the disease sleeping sickness. Question 54. In annelids, the organs of excretion are nephridia, suckers, lungs, kidneys. Correct option is A. Nephridia. Question 55. In arthropoda, the body cavity is pseudocoelms, antrocoel, hemocoel, none of these. Correct option is C. In arthropoda, the body cavity is hemocoel. Question 56. In mollusca, the foot is used for capturing prey, locomotion, both A and B, none of these. Correct option is B. In mollusca, the foot is used for locomotion. Question 57. Magnesium is an important nutrient ion in green plants as it is an essential component of cell sap, protein, chlorophyll, glucose. Correct option is C. Chlorophyll. Question 58. When a green plant performs photosynthesis at its maximum rate, the rate of water loss is low. The water content of the plant will be low. The energy content of the plant will be low. The energy content will be unaffected. Correct option is B. The water content of the plant will be low. During the dark reactions of photosynthesis, the main process which occurs is release of oxygen, energy absorption by chlorophyll, adding of hydrogen to carbon dioxide, formation of ATP. Correct option is C. Adding of hydrogen to carbon dioxide. Question 60. A plant requires nitrogen and sulfur for its cell wall, enzymes, starch deposits, DNA replication. Correct option is D. A plant requires nitrogen and sulfur for its DNA replication. A plant requires potassium for synthesizing protein, synthesizing chlorophyll, opening and closing of stomata. None of these. Correct option is C. A plant requires potassium for opening and closing of stomata. Question 62. Carnivorous plants live in soils that are deficient in water, oxygen, nitrogen, iron. Correct option C. Carnivorous plants live in soils that are deficient in nitrogen. Question 63. Mucus in saliva is made of glycolipids, glycoproteins, phospholipids, saturated fatty acids. Correct option is B. Mucus in saliva is made of glycoproteins. Question 64. The structure in the mouth that prevents food from entering the nasal cavities is epiglottis, soft palate, tongue, pharynx. Correct option is B. Soft palate. Soft palate prevents food from entering the nasal cavities. Question 65. Many humans become ill from consuming milk and milk products because they lack bacteria in their intestines, rennin, lactase, hydrochloric acid. Correct option is C. Many humans become ill from consuming milk and milk products because they lack lactase. Question 66. Air spaces between mesophyll cells of a leaf comprise of total volume 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. Correct option C. Air spaces between mesophyll cells of a leaf comprise 40% of total volume. Respiratory pigment present in muscles is called myoglobin, globin, hemoglobin, hemocyanin. Correct option is A. Respiratory pigment present in muscles is called myoglobin. Question 68. Blood contains oxygen per 100 ml of blood when hemoglobin is 98% saturated. 19.6 milliliter, 18.6 milliliter, 17.6 milliliter, 16.6 milliliter. Correct option A. Blood contains 19.6 milliliter oxygen per 100 milliliter of blood when hemoglobin is 98% saturated. Question 69. How much air can lungs hold when they are fully inflated? 5 liters, 4 liters, 4.5 liters, 3.5 liters. Correct option is A. Lungs can hold 5 liters of air when they are fully inflated. Question 70. Which of the following is not true of gourd cells? They are present in the epidermis of leaf. They are connected with plasmodesmata with other epidermal cells. They contain chloroplasts. They are kidney shaped. Our answer will be B. They are connected with plasmodesmata with other epidermal cells. This statement is not true of gourd cells. Question 71. The Casparian strips are present in cortex cells of roots, endodermis cells of roots, cells of pericycle, cells of phloem. Correct option is B. The Casparian strips are present in endodermis cells of roots. Question 72. Lymph most closely resembles with blood, plasma, interstitial fluid, urine. Correct option C. Lymph most closely resembles with interstitial fluid. Question 73. Hydatodes are associated with transpiration, guttation, conduction, none of the above. Correct option is B. Hydatodes are associated with guttation. Question 74. According to pressure flow theory, which of the following serves as sink? Leaves, stem, roots, none of the above. Correct option is C. Roots. Roots serve as sink. Question 75. Which of the following is true about mammals? They have right aortic arch only. They have left aortic arch only. They have left and right aortic arches. They do not have aortic arch. Correct option is B. Mammals have left aortic arch only. Question 76. The process that most likely or directly enables a root hair cell to absorb minerals by active transport and enables a muscle cell to contract is circulation, excretion, respiration, assimilation. Correct option is C. Respiration. Respiration enables a root hair cell to absorb minerals by active transport and enables a muscle cell to contract. Which of the following processes cause substances to move across membranes without the expenditure of cellular energy? Endocytosis, active transport, diffusion, none of the above. Correct option is C. Diffusion. Diffusion causes substances to move across membranes without the expenditure of cellular energy. Question 77. Cardiac muscle can be distinguished from other muscle fibers because cardiac muscle contains only actin, is voluntary in action, lacks regular arrangement of sarcomeres, has intercalated discs. Correct option is D. Cardiac muscle can be distinguished from other muscle fibers because cardiac muscle has intercalated discs. Those of you who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I request them to please subscribe it now and also hit the bell icon button so that you get the notifications of new videos whenever they appear on YouTube. Thank you so much.